Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Equinox 800 accessories are probably one of the most crucial elements to elevate your metal detecting experience, transforming a good outing into an exceptional one by enhancing performance, comfort, and the overall efficiency of your search for hidden treasures. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or just starting your journey into the exciting world of metal detecting, investing in the right add-ons for your Equinox 800 can significantly boost your find rate and make those long days in the field more enjoyable and productive, ensuring you get the most out of this already powerful machine. Number 5. Coil Savers Upgrade Washers for Minelab Equinox. Introducing the Coil Savers Upgrade Washers, designed specifically for your Minelab Equinox metal detector. These durable black washers provide an essential layer of protection for your coil. Upgrade your detecting experience with these robust washers. They are built to withstand the rigors of fieldwork, ensuring your equipment stays in top condition. Installing these upgrade washers is a breeze. Simply attach them to your existing coil for immediate enhanced protection and longevity. Featuring a sleek solar black finish, these washers not only protect but also complement the design of your detector. They are a practical and stylish addition. Don't let wear and tear affect your Minelab Equinox. Invest in these quality coil savers to maintain its performance and extend its lifespan for countless future finds. What we like. Tired of scuffs and scratches on your detector's coil? These coil savers are designed to add a protective layer, significantly extending the lifespan of your valuable equipment. If you frequently hunt in rough terrain or want to maintain the pristine condition of your coil, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The Equinox 800 is a fantastic metal detector with excellent depth and sensitivity. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to operate, even for beginners. The wireless headphones are a great addition, allowing for freedom of movement. Number 4. Minelab Equinox Series Armrest Kit 3011-0385. Enhance your metal detecting adventures with this essential accessory. It's designed to provide superior comfort and stability during long detecting sessions. This kit offers a more secure and comfortable grip. You'll experience less fatigue, allowing you to focus on finding those hidden treasures. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Rely on its durability for countless expeditions. Attaching this upgrade is a breeze. You'll have it fitted in no time, ready to get back to your detecting. Specifically engineered for the Equinox series, it ensures a perfect fit. Enjoy the seamless integration with your favorite detector. With improved ergonomics, you can extend your detecting time. Make every outing more productive and enjoyable. What we like. Long detecting sessions can take a toll on your arm. This armrest kit provides a more comfortable and ergonomic grip, reducing strain and fatigue. If you're planning extended hunts or find your current setup uncomfortable, upgrading to this will make a noticeable difference in your endurance. What people say. The Equinox 800 is a versatile metal detector that can be used for various types of detecting, including coin shooting, relic hunting, and gold prospecting. It features multiple operating modes, allowing users to customize their detecting experience based on the target type and ground conditions. The detector's wireless headphone capability offers freedom of movement and enhances the overall detecting experience. Number 3. Minelab Equinox 800 Metal Detector. Introducing the Minelab Equinox 800, the all-terrain, waterproof metal detector designed for every environment. It's your perfect companion for discovering hidden treasures. Experience the power of true intelligent simultaneous multi-frequency technology. This device offers maximum performance across a wide range of single frequencies, ensuring you find more. Never miss a valuable find with its fast recovery speed and accurate target ID. It adapts effortlessly to any target type and ground condition, from parks to beaches. Tailor your detecting experience with 8 custom search profiles. Save your favorite settings in each of the 4 detect modes for personalized performance. Enjoy ultra-fast wireless audio with the included WM08 module. You can also connect your favorite aptX low latency or Bluetooth headphones for complete freedom. This comprehensive kit includes the detector, 2 smart coils, wireless headphones, an audio module, charging cable, screen protectors, and more. Everything you need to start detecting right away. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers the full power of simultaneous multi-frequency detection, adapting to any environment. With multiple coils and wireless audio capabilities, it's ready for any challenge right out of the box. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that provides top-tier performance across diverse conditions, this package is an excellent choice. What people say. The Equinox 800 is a fantastic metal detector, offering excellent depth and sensitivity. Its multiple frequency options allow for versatile detecting in various ground conditions. The wireless headphone capability adds a great deal of convenience during use. Number 2. Minelab Equinox 800 Metal Detector Package. Discover hidden treasures with the Minelab Equinox 800. This advanced metal detector is designed for serious treasure hunters. It comes as a complete package, including the Pro-Find 35 pinpointer for precise location. You'll also receive a convenient carry bag and a finds pouch. Experience cutting-edge technology that offers superior performance in various environments. Its multi-frequency capabilities ensure you won't miss a target. Despite its advanced features, it's surprisingly easy to operate. Get started on your detecting adventures right away. This all-inclusive package provides everything you need to start detecting. From the detector to the accessories, it's ready for the field. Expand your detecting capabilities and find more with this powerful tool. It's the perfect companion for any metal detecting enthusiast. What we like. Get everything you need to start detecting and recovering targets immediately with this value-packed bundle. It includes a highly rated pinpointer and a convenient carry bag, streamlining your detecting and transport. If you're a beginner or want a convenient all-in-one purchase that includes essential recovery tools, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Equinox 800 is a fantastic metal detector that offers excellent performance and features for both beginners and experienced users. Its lightweight design and comfortable ergonomics make it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. The various search modes and adjustable sensitivity allow for precise detection of different types of targets in various environments. Number 1. Minelab Equinox 800 Metal Detector. Discover the thrill of the hunt with the Minelab Equinox 800. This advanced metal detector is designed to find more, faster, and deeper than ever before. Adapt to any environment with 4 specialized detect modes: park, field, beach, and gold. Whatever you're searching for, it's ready for the challenge. Experience unparalleled versatility with 6 frequency options, including simultaneous multi-IQ technology. This allows you to detect a wider range of targets with incredible precision. Enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth headphones and the WM08 wireless module. Hear every signal clearly without the hassle of cords. Don't let water stop your search. Its waterproof design means you can confidently explore rivers, lakes, and shorelines. This comprehensive package includes the Pro-Find 20 pinpointer and a durable carry bag. Everything you need to start detecting right out of the box. What we like. Experience the flexibility of multiple frequency options and a fully waterproof design, perfect for any environment from the park to the beach. It also comes with wireless audio for untethered detecting. If you need a versatile, submersible detector that offers advanced features and freedom of movement, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The Equinox 800 is a fantastic metal detector, very sensitive and easy to use. I love the different modes on the Equinox 800, especially the beach mode. It works great in wet sand. The wireless headphones are a great addition, allowing for freedom of movement while detecting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.